Well, let's see what the UPS guy brought us here. You can see here full force diesel. Let's have a look. Yes, I'm using a kitchen knife. I'm a little bit excited. Didn't want to wait for looking for the what do you call it, the box cutter. But I want to be careful because I don't want to scratch up or break anything. Let's see what we got. Awesome, we got boxes inside of a box. How awesome is that? 2 of them. Let's pull one of these bad boys out. Alright. Actually, let me put this one down. Get this one out. Get this out of the way. And let's bring one of these boxes back in here. And looks to be upside down. Oh, cool! I don't have to open it. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we have here a full force diesel information package. What's it say there? Let's put it like this so you guys can read it correctly. Dual HPOP system. Alright, let's have a look at this. We have original Ford parts here. I'm guessing this is probably the gaskets. Okay, this is the gasket for the reservoir. Original Ford part. Very cool. Looks like we have some hardware here. Extra long bolts. That's awesome. Studs, actually. What else we got here? Looks like a little crossover pipe that goes from one HPOP to the other. We got the little bongs for the HPOPs. Here are the connectors for both injector control valves, ICT, whatever it's called, and injector control valves. More Ford parts. What do we have here? Okay, so this is the gasket for kind of like the one we just saw from the box, but without the filter. So this would be the top one. Set this down over here. This is heavy. And this seems to be the gear for the second pump that goes inside the reservoir itself. And it's heavy duty and nice. Very cool. Go back down here. See what else we got. This is some sort of stud. I'm sure we'll find out when we look at the instructions. More Ford parts. All right, so it comes with the extra what do you call that? The injector control valve. Very cool because it uses both. You're gonna have to use One for each pump. One for each HPOP. What do we have here? Okay, so we have the front cover for the access bolt. Here. Okay, we have basically the bolt and washer to lock in the HPOP to the gear. And here we have tell you what, they did a great wrap job. Here goes the HPOP. This HPOP, if I'm not mistaken, it works backwards. The rotation is backwards. That way, while one is spinning the gear in one direction, the other one spins in the other direction, still generating pressure. Very cool. Let me just set this here for time purposes. Let me get it out of the way real quick. Over here we got two more mounting bolts for the HPOP, the back of it. Brand new. And right here we have the billet section where it all mounts up. HPOP goes back here with the gasket, and then on top we place the factory reservoir with the primary HPOP. And over here is where you put that little cover. I don't know if you can see there. You can see the Full Force Diesel logo. I'm very happy to see this arrive today. You guys are going to see some cool videos in a little bit. I have some more shorts coming up. And as you saw, there was 2 boxes in here. The second box, well, you'll just have to wait to the next video. Let the call roll.